talking, babe. Tell me if you really got some with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm really, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Secret in the middle of the night. I don't let you see if I put it down right there, babe. I can put you on the flight. You know that a nigga and you can change your life, oh, babe. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody but you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but now you're afraid, little babe. Everything you...
What's happening, YouTube? It's your girl Renee. We are back again with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to Renee's Family and Friends over here, where we keep it positive only. Before I get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead, click like, click share, and subscribe to the channel. So y'all can see I am smiling. I am super excited because this is a box opening time video. So yeah, guys, I am super excited, and I am still, I think that's my, well, no, okay, never mind. Y'all better watch the next video to see what's next, because I was about to tell y'all, but then I forget. Why would I tell y'all when you guys can just watch the next video after this one to see what Renee have in store? All right, y'all. So like I said in my previous video, I am still planning my birthday trip, and I am super excited. That's one of the reasons I'm smiling so hard, because I've been waiting for this package. So I can show you guys what your girl got. Yeah. So I think I've done enough talking so far. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys the box. This is okay. Here's my box. I'm super excited. Which I don't know why it's so big, but let's see. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, I can't wait. All right, y'all. Let's start opening this box. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, y'all. So, how's you guys doing? How your day's been? Make sure you guys comment down below. How's everybody doing? And I do check my comments. I do read my comments. So, also, if some of you guys, small creator, want to collab with me, I also want to do, I'm willing to collab with any and everybody. So, yeah, let's get started, guys. Box opening time. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm like a big kid in a candy shop right now. That's how excited I am. And it's like, I'm not the one who bought my own stuff. I did. God did. Renee did. And, alright, y'all. First and foremost, first I'm going to show you guys the kids. This one, what we have here. These are about clothes for my niece. Oh my gosh. Oh. I thought I got it small. This is for my niece. Why it look like that? Why it look like it's been worn? Well, I feel like it could fit me. I feel like I'm about to steal this. I bought some clothes for my niece, guys. And I'm super excited about that. Well, I feel like this thing could fit me. Should I try them on? I feel like if I do try them on, I'm going to open them. I swear, these could fit. These definitely could fit me. But I'm not going to do that since I bought them for my niece. Well, I can't say my favorite niece in English because they won't understand what I said. So I bought this for one of my favorite niece, whom I love dearly. She's the best. These are for my niece. It's a 2-piece. I already showed you guys the skirt. And what's this? Oh my gosh, this is so big. It's big. Damn, it's not gonna fit. Well, I think if I hot water it, this should be small. This is super cute. Super cute. And yep. That's really cute. I like this. I really like this. And this is for me. So far I showed you what I got for the kids. And this one is my dress. Don't shut up. Well, I feel like this one, it looked cuter in the picture. But I know once that hit my body, I'm gonna be looking good. Wait, but what do I wear this with? Y'all, I just be buying all my clothes, but never know what I'm gonna wear with this. I could wear the black and white Jordan with this, right? What color shoe can I wear with this? I mean, I can literally wear any color, but we'll figure that out. I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys a haul, on try on haul. I don't know yet, but make sure you guys subscribe to find out. If you guys want to find out, subscribe. Share this video with a friend, with a cousin, with an uncle, with a side piece, with anybody. Share. I tell them to subscribe to Renee and friends, family. Okay, so far I only got one for me. Y'all, I got my niece so much cute clothes. It's crazy. And this is for my niece as well. Man, I wish I would be able to see her try them on. These are for my niece, which I'm super excited for her to try these on. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for her to call me auntie. I love my outfit. Super cute. I love this. I love this. I know how to shop for kids, y'all. Like, I'm a kids freak when it comes to shopping. So, what Shein got? Extra 15% on all orders over. Oh, Shein, you could have done better. Y'all could have done better. I shopped with you guys too many times. Oh, that's what this is. Y'all, I always get this, but I never pay attention to the bag. It's a freaking coupon code. I could have used this. You never know. I might just use it again. Okay, guys. Okay. I guess now we are in my mama's clothes. Yes. So I got my mama some clothes, my niece some clothes, and myself just a little bit. So I'm gonna put mine aside. Mine's over there, my niece over there, and then now I'm gonna be showing you guys my mama clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna record my mom trying on her clothes because I don't know. If she's okay with it, I'll show you guys. If not, then you guys not gonna see it. And if you guys want to find out, make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe. Make sure you guys watch these videos. Make sure you guys do not skip the ads playing in these videos. It is very important and it helps me a lot. And yeah, don't skip no ads, y'all. Let the ads play. And this is a dress I got from my mom. These are some, yeah, no. This is dress I got from my mom. And I know she's gonna love it. She don't know I bought her some new clothes. Every year I buy my mama clothes. Every year I got her some nice dresses so she could look cute, keep her young going, make sure she's looking fine like she is. That was my mama dress. I'm gonna put my mama clothes over here. And then here is a second dress. This one also is from my mom. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, I know how to shop. When I mean I know how to shop, I know how to shop, y'all. And I know exactly what my mama like. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see her in these. Oh wow, look y'all, this is really cute. This is really cute. This is real cute. So this is for my mom. This is definitely for my mommy, my best friend, my everything. And then this is for my mom. Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
In that brand new Gotti, fuck a cop car. Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. I don't even chop it, now I'm a pop star.